Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today is the second episode of Draw with me. So we are gonna learn how to draw noses or different type of nose. So first get your HB, 4B and 6B pencils, an eraser and an airbud to smudge. Now we are gonna draw a big circle in the middle and two small circles in the left and right corner. Now where the two small circles are touching the big circle, we are gonna draw two nostrils and darken the areas where it needs dark. Now smudge it with an airbud, or you can use fingers as you like. Now darken the nostrils area and the end of the both sides. So this is for a rough idea what you have to do for the basic structures. Now we will start with different type of nose. So first just draw a circle and then two little circles. The process will be same here as well, but we will focus more on the depth. So we will darken it more. Now smudge it with an airbud. You don't have to be in the area of the nose only, you can also smudge it extra where you want, so it will give a feel of skin. The darker areas will be nostrils and in the end of the nose and a little bit on the bridge. Now this is the front view of a nose. Now we will draw a side facing nose. The structure will be same here, but as it's facing towards one side, so the other circle you will draw a little bit smaller, and the areas as per the light is coming towards the face, you have to leave the light area and darken the areas where there is no light. If you darken the end of the nose and the side corners of the nose and a little bit in the nostrils, it will give a good depth to the sketch. With the kneadable eraser, you can highlight the areas where you want in your sketch. Now this is the side facing nose. You will draw a triangle and then a semicircle kind of a shape. Now where the semicircle is joining, you will draw a nostril and, like I'm doing here, shade the part and smudge it with an airbud. So I'm drawing another side facing nose so you can get clarity, but it will be more narrow kind of nose. In the narrow kind of nose, you will draw the nostril more near to the nose. So you can see the difference in these two noses, like one is narrow and one is a little bit broad. You can also differentiate by the light area, like in the second nose it is a little bit more narrow, and in the first nose it's a little bit more broad light area. Now we are drawing a different kind of nose. So when the face is facing upwards, the only difference is you will make the nostrils a little bit more bigger, and then shade the areas wherever the dark area is. You can also use a blending stump. It will be available online, but you can also use earbud. It will do the same work and it will be more handy and everyone can get it from their home. For dark areas you will always use 6B, and for the lighter areas you will use HB and 4B, as you like. That's it. It was pretty simple techniques which you can always use to draw nose. If you like this channel, subscribe to my channel and share it if you want, and do practice it at home. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.